I am Nargis Shahid Ahmed Tulve. Warm welcome in my YouTube channel. Hello class, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, take care of yourself. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. In our last 3 videos, we learned 1 to 75 numbers in words and sentences too. Today, we are going to learn further numbers means 76 to 100 numbers in words and frame some sentences. You are ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's start. SEVENTY-676 SEVENTY-777 SEVENTY-EIGHT 78 79 80 EIGHTY 81 81 EIGHTY-TWO 82 EIGHTY-THREE 83 EIGHTY-FOUR 84 EIGHTY-FIVE 85 EIGHTY-SIX 86 EIGHTY-SEVEN 7 87 EIGHTY-EIGHT 8 88 EIGHTY-NINE 9 89 and then NINETY 90 NINETY-ONE 91 NINETY-TWO 92 NINETY-THREE 93 NINETY-FOUR 94 NINETY-FIVE 95 NINETY-SIX 96 NINETY-SEVEN 7 NINETY-EIGHT 8 98 NINETY-NINE 99 and last one HUNDRED 100 sentences 88 EIGHTY-EIGHT 88 There are 88 pages in this book. 90 NINETY There are 90 birds. 100 HUNDRED 100 There are 100 gold coins. Here are some larger numbers and its suitable sentences. There are 365 days in a year. 365. Number 2. My mother bought a table for 5,000 rupees. 5,000. Number 3. There are millions of stars in the sky. Millions. I hope you all got it all the numbers in words from 1 to 100. Okay? Homework. Write the numbers in words 76 to 100 and sentences given in the video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel.